This video is going to show you how to create an inquiry group in Builder's Excellence, which involves linking multiple leads or contacts to the same inquiry. Let's start on an inquiry that has already been created. This inquiry is linked to an account. The company and contact details are displayed on the right. The individual is Ben Clarkson, who is the Director of Prime Architects. Ben initiated the inquiry to get a building estimate for his clients, Susan and Nick Jones. This inquiry has been qualified, and now Ben is ready to introduce his clients. We are going to add their details into the system and link them to the inquiry. Susan and Nick are elderly and their daughter Samantha Jones. Samantha will assist her parents with the arrangements to build a new home. To create a group for the architect company, parents, and Samantha, click on Manage Inquiry Group. If the group already exists, for example, a returning customer, you can link the group to this inquiry. For this inquiry, it's a new group, so we will choose to create. Give the group a name. I'm going to call this Jones Family 92 Baronia Road. Click on Create New Group. The widget opens, and there are 4 steps to complete the process. Step 1 is the inquiry group configuration. Then over to Step 2. Our primary contact, the architect, Ben, is already linked. Click on the database to see if Nick Jones already exists. If not, it will prompt you to add either as a lead or contact. Since no results are found, I then will enter the other details to this contact. Click on Add as Contact. This will prompt you to create or link accounts. You may associate an existing or create a new account. Since they are new clients, make sure you have entered all the necessary details and proceed to create the account by clicking on Create Account. Repeat for the family members, but link the new Jones family account. Once you have added all the new contacts in, from this drop-down, you can set the roles of each individual. To modify or update the pick list options, watch the Managing Drop-Downs video to learn more. In the next column, you can see their contact details. Then you can set the contact priority levels. These columns are used to prioritize contacts within the group for communication or decision-making purposes. Only one contact can be assigned to each priority level. I'm going to set Samantha Jones as the primary contact, Nick as the secondary contact, and Susan as the third. These levels ensure that communications are structured and prioritized effectively, especially in projects or sales pipelines with multiple stakeholders. If you added the wrong account or lead, you can remove that individual by clicking on this button here. We are now going to proceed to Step 3. On this stage, you can see here the account, website, phone, mobile, region, industry, account owner, and the contact level. You can also see who among the group is the primary contact. You can also add, link, or remove an account from here. Finally, on the last step, save the group changes. This tab will display your current inquiry record. You can now proceed to save. Refresh the inquiry. Under the Contacts tab in the right-hand side, you can see the first contact, second contact, third, and fourth contact. This field here is the member combination. This is the grouping of contacts within the inquiry group. You now have set up your inquiry group and linked them to the inquiry.